Good morning, Jai Shri Krishna. Let's get started. Let's close the eyes. Hands in Dhyan Mudra, back straight. Relax shoulders. Let's chant long Omkars for a minute. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep the eyes closed. Joint hands at back of the body. You can interlock the fingers. Bow down to the Mother Supreme Earth. Raise both hands up over the body toward the ceiling. Inhale, come back up. Rub the palms against each other. Make them warm. Generate urja. Place warm hand all over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes few times in dark under the palms. Slowly spread the fingers apart. Slide the hands down over the face. Gently open the eyes. Do some light exercise. Sukshma Vyayam. Let's inhale. Raise both hands up. Stretch the upper body upward. Exhale. Twist the upper body to the one side. Look back. Align chin with the shoulder. Keep pushing the knee forward. Feel the stretches. Inhale. Back to center. Exhale to the other side. Keep trunk vertical. Back straight. We are just twisting. Inhale. Back to center. We'll do one more time. Both sides. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, back to center, and complete onto the second side. Inhale, come back. Extend both hands on the side. Drop the right hand down onto the floor wherever it is. Raise the left hand up. Inhale, stretch the left hand even further up. Exhale, bend toward the right side. Keep looking up through the left bicep. Keep pushing the left hand down. Make sure the knee stays down. You can push the right palm down into the floor. Inhale, back to center, onto the second side. Stretch the right hand up. Exhale, bend towards left side. We can push the left hand into the floor so we can have better stretches. Inhale, back to center. We'll do one more time on both the side. Keep looking up toward the ceiling. Keep pressing the knees down. Inhale, come back onto the second side. Inhale, come back, and let's stand up. Separate feet, 3 to 4 feet apart. Interlock the fingers. Stretch hands up, palms upside down. Turn the right palm, right toes towards right a little bit. Deep inhale. As we exhale, bend towards one side. Keep looking up. Knees straight, elbows straight. Inhale, come back. One more time, same side. As we exhale, bend down. See if you can push a little bit. further down, keep looking up. Inhale, come back. Now to the second side, we can switch the feet position, left or slightly towards left. Exhale, towards left, keep looking up. Inhale, back to center. One more time, same side. Come back. Now separate the feet even further apart at the farthest. Extend both hands sideways. Deep inhale. As we exhale, grab the big toe with opposite side hand. Other hand will go 90 degrees up. Look up into the ceiling to the palm. Inhale, back to star position. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, come back. One more time. Twisted triangle. Inhale, come back. And complete onto the second side. Come back. Bring both hands at the back. Thumbs on the sacrum. Deep inhale. Arch backward. Look into the back wall. Feel the full compression at the lumbar area. Extension at the abdomen area. Exhale. Come back up. Straighten the trunk. Inhale again. Exhale. Bend forward and down. We can push head further down. Inhale, come back up, and let's move in front of the mat. We'll put the music, mantras, let's follow the beats. Roll the shoulders back and down, and begin.
सवित्रे नमः।
ॐ सवित्रे नमः।
ॐ अर्काय नमः।
ॐ अर्काय नमः।
ॐ भास्कराय नमः।
ॐ भास्कराय नमः।
ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः।
श्री सविता सूर्यनारायणाय नमः।
Good morning, Jai Shri Krishna. Let's shake up the body, hands, thighs, legs, the whole body, whichever way you want. Generate more activity within the body, more heartbeat, more pulse, more blood circulations. Add some yogic jogging, some twisting, and relaxations. Let's lay down in Shavasana. Complete rest, full relax. Close the eyes. Deep inhale, deep exhale few times, and let the breath become completely natural, normal. Feel the body internally. Let all the body parts, muscles, joints be on their own, on the gravity. Feel the body weight and see how the weight is transferring to the floor. Let's scan the body internally. From head to toes, towards the head, moving awareness, body part by body part. At each part, try to acknowledge any kind of sensations, relaxations, heartbeat, pulse, blood circulations, anything, whatever we can feel for 3 full minutes to make the trip. And time starts now. last 10 seconds to bring the awareness back to the head area if you haven't yet. Bring feet together, wiggle the toes, squeeze and release them a few times. Move them onto side by side on both the feet. Turn the head on both the sides as well a couple of times. And give body a big stretch, Yastikasana, stick pose, full stretch. Push all the toes into one direction, all the fingers, hands into opposite direction. Full stretch, 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 and relax. Bring both hands sideways, palms facing down. Hold at the knees, so heels at the hips. Dip inhale. As we dip exhale, drop the folded knees towards left on the floor. Turn the head towards right. Push the palms into the floor. Feel very good twist at the spine. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, both knees on the floor towards right, head towards left. Push the palms into the floor. Do everything with closed eyes. Inhale, back to center. Now lift the feet a little bit up, so knees will be closer to the chest. Exhale, drop the folded legs towards left. Turn the head towards right. Inhale, back to center. To the other side, exhale, legs towards right, head towards left for a few seconds, and then completely lay down on right with closed eyes. Inhale, exhale a couple of times. And with help of the elbows and palms, gently bring the body into any comfortable sitting posture. Continue with closed eyes. We will do a little bit cooling. So let's do cooling pranayam, Chandra Nadi pranayam. We will inhale and exhale on left, making Vishnu Mudra on right hand. Use the right thumb tip to press and hold the right nostril as we inhale and exhale through left only. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Complete the round when you breathe out on left. After that, bring both hands into Dhyan Mudra. Keep the back straight. Relax shoulders. Deep breathe in, and we will chant one long Omkar. Feel the vibrations. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub the palms against each other. Make them warm, generate urja. Flex the warm hands all over the face and eyes. Move the palms over the eyes. Gently massage the eyelids. Make the cup of the palms over the eyes. Blink the eyes few times in dark. Spread the fingers apart. Slowly slide the hands down over the face. Gently open the eyes. Rub the palms one more time. Place them on top of the head, back of the head, neck, throat, shoulders, arms, trunk, legs, back, throughout the body to spread the energy within. Hari Om Tat Sat Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning and Happy Tuesday. Mangalwar ka din Shubh Mangal ho. I'm going to unmute everyone. So after long time, welcome back, Sangeeta Ben, Krishna. Maybe after a year, 2 years. Okay, where is Ramesh Kumar?
Jai Shri Krishna.
Good morning, Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. Good morning,
Good
everyone.
Krishna.